4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, but I've been uploading almost every day. So this is the time to hit subscribe. This is the time to put your notifications on. Okay. So in this video, I am talking about Kiss and Press nails. These are the limited edition holiday styles. I've been using Kiss and Press nails for years, and I don't do a ton of videos on them, so I thought I would start, and someone did ask about it. So this style right here is a new fall style with this detailed nail here in the tan color. This is actually from another set. So when I get my sets, I actually take all of the extras and sort of sort them out, like if they're matte or sparkly or what have you, so that I could customize my manicure. So if you want to see a video about that, I can do that. Just put that down below. So today, I'm going to do a car vlog on the limited edition Halloween styles that are really more like Halloween designs. But they came out with so many this year. I was so excited. These ones are ones I feel like could lean just fall in general, that they're not specifically Halloween, in case you don't want like nails with ghosts on it. But they have so many amazing styles. I cannot. Okay. So let's dive into it because there's a lot. I got these at Walmart. Each store sometimes has like, they'll have the main ones, but they'll have like one that's specially for them or a couple styles. There were so many styles, it's unreal. It was like a huge end cap. So Walmart, they're about $5.99. If you go to CVS or Walgreens, they can move up to like the $7.99 mark. But so the first one, and the other one thing that I like is they have the longer medium length nails, okay, for usually around Halloween designs, because, you know, I don't know if it's because like in order to get a picture on there, they need to be a little bit longer, but I always like when they have the longer designs. These are all the press-on ones. They have the glue-on ones. So there's more, but these are just the press-on. These are the press-on specifically. So the first one we're going to talk about is, it's called Heart Was Broken. And this is a medium size, like black matte, and then these gorgeous red accent nails, and this one actually has like really large crystals on it. So pretty. I can't wait to wear those. Next up we have Name in the Sky, and these are sort of like a geometric situation, navy blue, and then this like iridescent green blue oil slick, and then they have an accent nail that has just sort of like geometric designs in that same oil slick but on the blue background. Next we have Keep You Close, and this is another one of the longer medium nails, and this is just in a shiny black, and then it has sort of a snakeskin accent nail. Next up we have Live Without Me. This is super cute. It's got the gray nail, again a geometric style. One of the accents has just a little bit of sparkle, and then it has more of a clearer sparkle nail as well. Next, we have Gave Love, and these are going to be sort of that vampy, dark burgundy with a, not even a shimmery, more of a metallic type of nail as an accent. And we have another one of the medium length ones, and this is called Right Back. This is a matte sort of tan color and then a sparkly gold accent nail. I have a video where I'm talking about sort of the fall releases. Some of them to me read spring, but it's fine because I love them anyway. This is called Losing Your Grip, and it's got this sort of shiny tan nail, sparkly, you know, more of a champagne color sparkle, and then it has this accent nail that's sort of marbly, and then it has the rhinestones on there, so that's gorgeous. We have this one that definitely can run all the way through Christmas, and this is called Keep Her in Check, and it has sort of that sweater design, you know, that little dog sweater, the Scotty dog sweater design, which are matte red, and then a sparkly sort of multicolor with pink and red sparkles as an accent nail. Then we have Overflowed. This is another medium nail, and this is an ombre, so the tips are purple, it ombres into the dark. These are shiny, and then it's sort of just a sparkly accent nail. Some of them are only sparkled halfway, and then some of them are sparkled the full way. Next is so cute. This is Far Away to Hold Me. These nails are matte. You've got the orange, you've got sort of that grungy mustardy, and these are actually navy blue, and then you have the sparkly accent nail. I just think this is super interesting, and I'm excited for this one to actually mix it up with some of my other matte nails from other sets. Then we have two more. We have what's called Baby Don't Trip, and these are really interesting. Although they're pale, they're almost like a clear film. So they're probably going to look slightly different on different people, because I would imagine your nail underneath would show a little bit. And just like, it's just like with our lips, we can wear the same lip color, but our natural color will shift it a little bit. Then you have sort of that clear accent nail with the gold tips. And then last but not least, we have Party on Tilt. And this is a hunter green matte nail. And then similar to this one here, it's got a sparkly gold nail, which is more clear, so the sparkles are concentrated more to the top. Okay, so that's what I have for you in terms of the Kiss and Press nails that could lean not only Halloween, but also fall. If you have any other imPress nail related videos you'd like me to film, please put that down below. If you found other styles, also put that down below. I do have a car vlog with the specifically Halloween styles, so check that out as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so if you have. Thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.